Hey everybody, welcome back for day 22 of the advent calendar created for me by Lozzie. And as you can see, we're on our last 3 days, so I figured I'd share them all on camera because I can fit them on my desk now. I'll take these two away so we can only open up day 22. If you guys want to go follow Lozzie, all her information is down below, so go and check her out. Today's clue says, I'm putting this in as I know of your love and that you will enjoy. Let's dig in. And it's a puzzle. 208 pieces. Definitely gonna need some more puzzle glue. Oh, is it acrylic again, or is it regular like cardboard? Art crystal. I think it's just a stylus crystal. I'll have to see when I put it together. Well, that's day 22. 2 more days to go, so make sure you are following me or subscribing to me so that you'll be notified when I put up the rest of my advent calendar. And don't forget to follow me on Twitch because I will be making a lot of the stuff that you see in the advent calendar over on my Twitch channel. All that information is down below. Thank you guys, everybody. Have a happy holiday, and I'll see you soon.